Introducing the all-new 6-in-1 Power Socket Cube, your ultimate charging solution for home or office. Equipped with 3 universal outlets, 2 USB-C ports, and 1 USB-A port, this compact cube powers everything, from your laptop to your smartphone, all at once. With 65 watts of superfast charging, you'll get maximum power in minimum time. It's built with an anti-slip silicone pad for stability, and child safety doors to protect your little ones from electric shocks. One-touch power control button makes it simple to manage all your connected devices safely. Compact, stylish, and powerful, it's perfect for work, travel, or everyday use.